Cells not updating automatically. I have a formula in a cell which counts the values in two other cells. Normally, after entering in the values in these two other cells, the formula cell updates automatically when enter is pressed or when the cells are clicked out of. However, for some reason, the value calculated by the formula does not update automatically. I am having to click on the formula bar, then I have to click enter for the formula cell to do its thing. Why is this happening?
A likely cause is that calculation is set to manual. To change this to automatic in the various versions of Excel. 2003, Tools in GT, Options in GT, Calculation in GT, Calculation in GT, Automatic. 2007, Office button in GT, Excel options in GT, Formulas in GT, Workbook calculation in GT, Automatic. 2010 and newer, File in GT, Options in GT, Formulas in GT, Workbook calculation in GT, Automatic. On Mac. 2008, Excel preferences in GT, Calculation in GT, Automatically. In some cases you may prefer to keep it set to manual, for example if there are many heavy calculations to perform. In such cases, you can simply press F9 when you want the calculations to update.
Confirm with Excel 2007, Office button in GT, Excel options in GT, Formulas in GT, Workbook calculation in GT, Automatic. Short key to refresh. Control plus F9.
I had a case of this just now in Excel 2010, a particular spreadsheet that would not auto-recalculate. I changed the setting as indicated above, but the auto-recalculate still did not work, and upon rechecking the calculation option, found it had reset itself back to manual all by itself. 3 attempts later and it was still adamant it wanted to be manual and nothing else. So here is my solution to the problem. Copy the contents of the spreadsheet to a new one, and deleted the old one. It wasn't a particularly important spreadsheet, thankfully, and everything was fine. I can only assume that somehow the file had become corrupted. A good reason to keep backups.
It looks like it is a known bug going on at least since 2012, given Google results. Once you open one file where the automatic calculation flag is set to off, all subsequent workbooks you will open will automatically set to automatic calculation equals off. So the turn off of automatic calculation is automatic. It also happens sometimes that a file gets corrupted and prevents you from re-enabling automatic calculation. Sometimes there also can be a macro, hidden inside a workbook, which programmatically turns off calculation in a specific situation, but there is no way you can know it. Until you notice formulas results keep not changing. Sources. This URL. This URL. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.